Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can block somebody online application. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to open line application. Here you will find the people that you have chatted with. Now if you want to block someone, suppose in this case I want to block this person, you need to open the chat. Here you will find the three lines at the top right corner. Tap on it. And here you will find the block option. Just tap on this and maybe it will ask you a step that are you sure, and you need to press OK and this person will be blocked. But now if you did not chat with that person and still you want to block it from your friend list, it's pretty easy. Go to the home tab. Here you will find the person in the list of your friends. Suppose in this case I want to block this person. You need to press and tap for long and this window will pop up, and here you will find the option block as well, so you can tap on it and block that person. So guys, this is how you're going to do it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.